Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a Toyota CHR dashboard. First, always prioritize safety by disconnecting the negative battery terminal. Next, you'll need to carefully remove the various trim pieces surrounding your radio and climate control unit. After that, gently detach the center console components, ensuring all clips and screws are accounted for. This initial preparation is crucial for a smooth process. Moving on, your next step involves the instrument cluster. Carefully unscrew and remove its housing, then gently detach the entire cluster. Following this, you'll need to remove the air vent assemblies. Be sure to disconnect any electrical connectors that are attached to these components. Take your time to avoid damaging any wiring or plastic clips during this stage. Now, let's focus on the passenger side. Begin by opening and removing the entire glove box assembly. Once that's clear, you'll be able to access the passenger airbag module. It's vital to locate and carefully disconnect its electrical connector. Double-check that all wiring harnesses in this area are properly unclipped before proceeding to the next steps. Finally, with all the smaller components and trim pieces removed, you can now focus on the main dashboard panel. Locate and remove any remaining screws that secure it to the vehicle's frame. With all fasteners out, gently and evenly pull the dashboard away. Remember to store it safely on a soft surface to prevent any scratches or damage.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.